Hello guys, this is Praveen and you're watching Terrace Kitchen. Let's make banana milkshake. Take 2 bananas and slice it. Two cups of milk. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, which makes the shake smooth and tastier. Add ice cubes as per your requirement. Let's close the lid and blend it. Our banana vanilla ice cream milkshake is ready. Let's go ahead and serve it. Let's pour the banana milkshake into a glass. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Sprinkle some cocoa powder so that it looks more beautiful. If you like the banana milkshake recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell notification icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.